Have you ever pondered over what sets a domestic tariff area apart from an export-oriented unit or a special economic zone? What makes them unique and how do they influence trade, investment, and economic development? Well, let's unravel this economic mystery together. A domestic tariff area, or DTA, is essentially the economic heartland of a country. It's the area where normal customs duties and taxes are applicable on goods and services traded within its boundaries. If you're a business operating in a DTA, you're playing by the standard domestic regulations and taxes set by the government. Essentially, it's the usual economic playground where businesses engage in operations for both domestic consumption and export. Then we have export-oriented units, or EOUs. These are like the special kids on the block. They are designed to promote exports by offering certain incentives and benefits to businesses. Imagine being able to import raw materials, components, and capital goods without paying a dime in duty for the production of goods meant for export. That's an EOU for you. The products they manufacture are primarily bound for export markets, but they can also sell a portion of their production in the domestic market, albeit after paying applicable duties. EOUs typically enjoy exemptions from certain taxes, like excise duty, and may also benefit from simplified customs procedures to facilitate their export activities. Now let's move on to the big guns, Special Economic Zones, or SEZs. These are designated geographical areas within a country that roll out the red carpet for domestic and foreign investment. They do this by offering special incentives, infrastructure, and regulatory frameworks to promote exports and boost economic development. SEZs typically have customs and regulatory provisions that are a step above those in the DTA. Businesses operating within SEZs often benefit from tax incentives, duty exemptions, streamlined procedures, and infrastructure support. SEZs aren't picky. They accommodate various types of industries, including manufacturing, services, trading, and logistics. Their goal is to create a conducive environment for business growth and competitiveness by providing advantages such as tax holidays, duty-free imports, and relaxed labor and environmental regulations. In essence, DTAs, EOUs, and SEZs are different faces of the economic landscape, each with its unique characteristics, benefits, and drawbacks. While DTA represents the regular domestic economic territory of a country, subject to standard customs duties and taxes, EOUs and SEZs are specialized zones designed to promote exports, attract investment, and stimulate economic activity through incentives, exemptions, and supportive infrastructure. EOUs primarily focus on export-oriented production, while SEZs offer a broader range of benefits to attract diverse industries and businesses. So, the next time you're considering where to set up shop or invest, remember each of these economic zones offers a unique mix of opportunities and challenges. Choose wisely.